And move up now, 2 pairs of stablemates engaged here. Ends in a Dream's coming up off the second row. So Enemy Subignis in 1, Shades of Sassy 2, Mavis Merle 3, and Ends in a Dream. The trotter is off the second row. They're set, and away they go. Mavis Merle fired out from the machines, going to have little trouble getting across to lead from Enemy Subignis going through to second at stablemate. In third spot as they settle fully into stride with Shades of Sassy and a gap of about 10 or 12 metres to the tail ender, which is Ends in a Dream. So they come around the first corner here. They're about to shape up for the run into the straight the first time, and Mavis Merle is the leader. Margin about 10 metres here, a little bit less now as Enemy Subignis eases off the pegs and goes forward. Back into third spot, turning into the straight with just over 2 to travel, is Shades of Sassy. As this one goes to the front of Enemy Subignis down the straight with 2 to run, and Ends in a Dream about 12 metres away at the tail end of the field. Turning out of the straight, they go towards the back. They're inside the 1600 metres now, and Enemy Subignis is on top. Margin 4 metres to the stablemate racing second, and that's Mavis Merle. A gap of about 15 metres away in third position now with Shades of Sassy, and still last of the 4 is Ends in a Dream. So they go towards the back. They start to put the brakes on in front. Leader Enemy Subignis, margin a sulkish length. Mavis Merle in second spot, about 8 or 10 metres away to the third runner, which is Shades of Sassy. And still last of the 4 as they go up to the top is Ends in a Dream. So approaching the 1200 metre corner, they've gone through that section a lot slower than they did the one previous, and stacking up the leader is Enemy Subignis. Margin 4 metres to Mavis Merle, second coming down the side towards the home turn for the bell. About 1100 metres still left to run. In third spot, swinging up around the home bend on this occasion, is Shades of Sassy, and at the tail is Ends in a Dream. Turning into the straight, they come down with just over 2 circuits, so with a circuit left to go, the bell is chiming. And in front, Enemy Subignis doing it all right, and comes to the winning post with a circuit left to travel, leading 4 metres to Mavis Merle in second. In third as they head out of the straight now with still no change in the order, Shades of Sassy, and at the rear is Ends in a Dream. Into the final circuit, nearing the 650 metre mark, and Enemy Subignis the leader, and its margin still 4 metres going to the back the last time from Mavis Merle in second spot. They've started to step up the speed just a fraction now in front. In third spot, heading down the back with Shades of Sassy, and Ends in a Dream's gone off stride at the tail end of the field. Towards the top turn, nearing the 450 metres, Enemy Subignis still in front. Second, Mavis Merle going off the back. In third spot then, and still in touch with these leaders, although they start the sprint now with Shades of Sassy coming off the back. Mavis Merle pulled out and went up in a stride to join the stablemate. Enemy Subignis on the turn, looks to be going the better. Mavis Merle swept to the front around the home corner inside the 200 and went for home. It left them standing. Mavis Merle found 10 metres. Enemy Subignis tries hard the inside, drifting out to the crown of the track, but this is way too good here. Mavis Merle's going to walk in. Mavis Merle scored by about 8 or 9 metres. Second goes to Enemy Subignis, a gap away about 20 metres away. Third was Shades of Sassy, and back behind those Ends in a Dream who got down and trotting. It was the last one over the line. In that second and final event, the winner easily, number 3, Mavis Merle, Alan Ratnassingham the driver, and defeated number 1, Enemy Subignis, Brad Walters, and 2, Shades of Sassy, Steve Austin. The margins were 8 metres by 10, the time 2:47.2, a mile rate of 2:1.8, the last half was 58.5, and the quarter in 28.5.